Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best memory wire is probably one of the most versatile and popular choices for creating beautiful wire-based jewelry, particularly bracelets. It's a type of steel wire that retains its shape and is commonly used for making fantastic bracelets. And today, we're diving deep into the world of memory wire, exploring its unique properties, different types, and how to select the perfect memory wire for your next jewelry making project, so you can create stunning, long-lasting bracelets with ease. Number 5. KONMAY Adjustable Wire Bracelets. These versatile bracelets are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and style. They're perfect for crafting and everyday use. It's made from strong, flexible stainless steel wire coated with nylon for extra protection. This makes it resistant to corrosion and ready for daily wear and tear. Each bracelet measures 9.6 inches, but you can easily adjust it to your liking. The package includes extra end caps to help you customize the length. This set includes 50 bracelets in 20 assorted colors, along with extra end caps for endless customization options. Get creative and personalize your style. Use them for keychains, luggage tags, or even to organize your tools. The possibilities are endless with these adaptable wire bracelets. They fit beads with 3 mm or larger holes. If your beads are smaller, use a jump ring for compatibility. What we like? It can be used for bracelet making, keychains, and more. Its length is adjustable to fit various needs. If you're on a budget and need a multi-purpose wire, this is a great option for you. What people say? These are bracelet bases that can be worn as is or strung with beads. They are meant to be adjustable, customized, and come with a bag of crimp clamps so the wire can be cut, a new crimp clamp added with a small pair of pliers, and voila, custom-sized. When crimped properly, they are sturdy and don't pull apart. I'm so pleased that you can cut the wire and they included little ends to put back on. It opens up another realm of possibility. Number 4. SPEEDWOX Memory Wire Kit. This kit is perfect for jewelry making. It includes everything you need to create beautiful bracelets, necklaces, and more. You'll receive a pair of memory wire cutters and 100 loops each of gold and silver memory wire. It's everything you need to get started. These specialized cutters create clean, smooth cuts on the memory wire, making your crafting easier and more precise. The memory wire is ideal for creating unique bracelets and other jewelry. Its multi-layered design adds a touch of elegance. The comfortable, non-slip handles of the cutters reduce hand fatigue, making crafting a joy. They're designed for easy one-handed use. The cutters are made from durable, high-carbon steel with a corrosion-resistant finish. The memory wire itself is rust-resistant alloy. The cutters measure 125 mm long, 50 mm wide, and 15 mm high, and cut wire up to 0.8 mm thick. The memory wire is approximately 0.6 mm thick and 60 mm in diameter. What we like? This set includes memory wire and a comfortable cutter. The cutter is designed for easy and clean cuts. If you value convenience and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? Love the rebound of this memory wire. It holds nice shape. When I first pulled out the cutters, I was wary, nothing seemed sharp about them at all. Then I tried them out. They cut the wire effortlessly. With just the shortest amount of practice, you can turn a nice loop at the end bracelet. Number 3. 500 Loops Jewelry Wire. This versatile wire is perfect for crafting unique jewelry and accessories. It's durable, easy to shape, and comes in a variety of colors. You'll receive 100 pieces in each of 5 stunning colors: white K, gold, silver, KC gold, and ancient bronze. Let your creativity shine. Made from high-quality alloy steel, it's strong, fade-resistant, and surprisingly soft and easy to bend into any shape you desire. Cut it to your desired length and create bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and more. It's also great for other crafts like doll making or floral arrangements. Give the gift of creativity. This wire is perfect for making personalized presents for friends and family. It adds a special touch to any handmade item. With 500 loops of this amazing wire, the possibilities are endless. Make unique jewelry, fun crafts, or anything your imagination can create. What we like. It comes in a wide variety of colors to match your creative vision. You get a large quantity of wire for all your projects. If you need a large amount of wire in different colors, this is the best option for you. What people say. Haven't worked with all the colors yet, but the gold and silver memory wires work just great. Easy to cut and work with. I have recently gotten into memory wire bracelets, and these are great for making the bracelets. Very sturdy and seems to be of good quality. I make memory wire brackets with this wire. The quality and quantity of loops is excellent. Number 2. Jewelry wire 100 loops. This high-quality jewelry wire is perfect for crafting stunning necklaces, bracelets, and more. Its flexible and durable design ensures long-lasting beauty. With 100 loops at your disposal, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create unique pieces that reflect your style. It's made from durable steel, resistant to rust and fading, ensuring your creations maintain their brilliance for years to come. It's ideal for bracelets, highlighting delicate wrists, or for adding a touch of elegance to other jewelry. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're making earrings, necklaces, bracelets, or keychains, it simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on your artistic vision. With a diameter of approximately 6 centimeters and a 0.6 millimeters thickness, it's perfectly sized for a wide range of jewelry projects. It's also available in a sleek silver color. Get 100 loops in a single package, providing ample material for all your crafting needs. Start creating today. What we like. It's simple to use and creates an elegant look. It's made from durable steel that resists rust and fading. If you are looking for a simple, yet elegant and durable wire, this is for you. What people say. Goes back to circle form and it is bendable to a point. Reminds me of a slinky. Good quality wire. Coils back up well, but can manipulate the ends to hold on beats. Wire quality is good. Durability is good, size is accurate. Easy to bend and shape. Fits well into jewelry tubing. Number 1. Jewelry beading wire. Unleash your creativity with this versatile beading wire. It's perfect for crafting bracelets, earrings, and more, making it a must-have for any jewelry enthusiast. This strong and durable wire is built to last. Its superior quality ensures your creations will hold up beautifully. With 200 pieces included, you'll have plenty of wire for all your projects. It's the perfect value pack for the DIY lover. Choose from white K or gold to match your style and create stunning jewelry. It's ideal for a wide range of DIY projects. These wires are easy to use, making them perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. Improve your skills and decorate your home with your creations. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. This pack offers great value with a large quantity of wire. The wire is strong and long-lasting. If you need a large quantity of wire at a reasonable price, this is a great choice for you. What people say. It got here extremely fast and it works great. Just make sure you have a wire-bending tool. The diameter is thin enough that it easily can be put inside even my metal enamel small 2mm beads. It also pliable enough that I was able to put a hook and a closed jump ring on the one band bracelet to close it. It's also wonderfully sturdy. Came packaged excellent. Nice coils to make plenty of bracelets with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.